And I'm cutting 2 and 2. Is that fair? The young woman a hot to a hot to what man?
Sammy, oh, catch us out before no one in the oil. What in the oil?
I never chest.
I never chest.
One of the no TV, and at the water my comfort, I make it 1 from 1 2 4.
Hey,
I'm
a summer hunter.
What's my young nominal?
Maybe some are called for me down my soul. Maybe what would you? Maybe what would you? I think we are to that discount. We are to that Siana. Hey, maybe so I call for some young one. Yummy, yo. We are yet to a million. We will see her air near my phone. And then my sister more handsome for most from one. What's your more? What's my 18 now? You're going to make us my 18. Can we have Fiassé? I don't know me. Says a doe and yes, I'm so. What? No. A man in your wife did the beard of semi slow. Don't you a bonum jam or some year no? Some Matiscan my own 1 year. That's all taking me for granted. No, you are just at your yellow. What will you won't me? Swan, yeah. Who won't understand of me? Side event. East Legon, West Legon, Trasapo, Valley Hills, and I mean, here na me who Sammy back here na me who we are na me go, we are na panda chintu. Say any one of your banner bread. You want your ma and my girls, Sammy and the Bibia. And your Bibia and me so. What you be papa? What who is about Luba Pine? Then I mean,
we are a conqueror for taking.
About 4 alibi, never first to be crying. Some person woman, some Babin, put me over. Yes, the queen is for Canapano, and for my bro. Yes, if I can and your my bro, woman, that way, one me, and now that woman, who can never be our women, never more.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Midnight.
And I actually Liverpool for the tenant.
Oh, I'm going to say. Yeah, sure, I'm going to say.
Mammy, are they? I'm honest with you, I say, oh, come on, won't dream say. Cabana. Hey, look for Papa. Mammy, you're okay.
So Papa. Papa and I damn brought me.
Hey! Abrafa, Ade. Ariasama. Message Yasam.
me.
Eri asema.
Asema to me.
Na mi unya suna nkasa.
Makasa. Saya mesuna na bi na mseme ko. Ako kan chira boatima. Empa ibomo na me hu se boatima ni kuna pam na yiri ni amatu agu. Abefia. Eye me ye da ye ni misun. Ti mi so ni ya mi yi da ye ni chiro na mse da bi meko. Mi so na wo ma chi tu. Ena mi ko kan chira na mse. Boatima ade ama me hu ni mi so da mi pompa ya awrade yi chira mi a. Wa nya hu adwuma etimi bam. Eti emompa na ade aba hunu ni. Mi wura me ka o ma mani hunu. Ene wona ya ye danye. Sa adia me be ye me ne boatima ye me. Mi wura.
Hey, tafu na ye na apekasa. Opekasa do. Adai. Abnafra adai. So what you da ya kire me a me ma kwa seko. Afra adai. He, mama kan tro sebe mpanne se akokọ be de woni made kye. Na mum ya no tie firi onia no. So ni ni bo se ko. Na o hu sade achi.
Wura me kan chira won so aka ma me nko.
Mo so da ya, ho na akọ interpret. Wo ye falo. Ana wo ye Joseph.
Wura, nko fo won kwa me so mo da se me ko bo.
Come to mama kasa.
Atita me ba.
Come on to me. Adai.
Asemo.
Da bia usubesu da bia what man say wa wo ba won kan ho asem papa kura adai se wo ya kakra se obi ha wa hwe tora wo na ma be ka so wo ba ifo ya be ka so wo ba ifo mo adi wani so wo ba ya no gu abofra ya wade
Ade asem ni
ana ba mo wa ni sunsun
ade asem na afra ma hu ni sei afra so nga afra papa bi
afra hwa no enchaba fo me pa chawo Afra, emia nya me ka se me ni pa bone. Ma ba friend na so bia ma de. What that one make a tell no. Hey, come to Afra. Hwe yi enu am fa me san kan. Me what am finger what? What that finger what?
Apanya botre.
So am finger what you na gu for what? Mi hiya wa bo kra yedin ma men to kan bi ba be se ku ba finger what ba me you want to show me what madam
Apanya botre.
me se ko to ma men finger what Mama tu ni bi.
Mami. Akacho sa boat me fi o ja oko. Anyenye bia oko na oba aware. Oko na oba ko wari sikeni. Enye beebi atena. Udi ku na akọ. What man fu ni yusuban. Tuko na ka odi ade bo ko echi a. Me ko kwa me ni beebi akotika. Ye be kan say. Me ni se de o ye desu. Na me ko. Na oko next time na ko. Na se ba tubi. En fa so me bia. Sna bote na ka o. Na o die bo.
I mean, as you only in India, you already, you any, they know about what. You are about who can only, I'm jealous and sound. I want to be brain and I want more when you'll be manager. But no win how would they man do a chat and second? I think we there's a no cameras. Oh boy, I'm going to the top of the Sierra, but we're here. So that to form and yet to say, the good that the bottom to I always saw the bad things of phone. Yes. Massive phone, it's so no member. Your body is in the phone member. Your body is a phantom phone, so never. I'm not phone member.
I think room so near the community. Nasu Kahu said, you're catching a meeting was here. Was here. You said, and then you know what passing me. So, by what man you now, the ambassador catcher on and ma, you are 1 year. And you must shoot, and then yet you are. You will shall bear Inti so what do you mean? Just say, Amonima. If it's your wife, you won't want somebody be Amonima, dear for son for Papa. Okay, Brakra, now won't know a chatty power the prayer. Now, and they move to me as I will for Fracan. I am a social by idea. The beat, as I am, the maintain na ontrefia
Papa me na ono de oba no ni o de bre
Can I do? No, never. Yeah. Come on, just over what you account. Because you can also know that I can be a minute too.
Is ala you say mad yes you
So see when you Freddy. Oh, so Papa be tell you actually say get an app, the year of the one. Yes, I am fear mu. Also, a pass on your miss one young woman, 60 to 70 going, but it was still. Now, the American understand, maybe yet. Take off our little what is slow. Makuma Domi Bano, possibly be a bayo. Who flew, you wouldn't not so come up. Obey you so, Yamin and Summer, who is a near mass of Pondy, or bad walk of us, see our or the 7 year. Made what you go so some of your men. It is what you do, what you are doing. Never bear to born at it. And sit down, maybe a pass my coma. But please, I am down. And yes, man.
Yo,
I say no.
I'm money. How have you? What do you teach her to improve? Babu, we don't do too much. Tell us. Have you?
Damakuma so bad.
Aso,
Oh, aso.
Aso na ba betra gate ano.
Aso me ba ya che o. Me ba ya che me se me no ba twetwe nkomo kakra bi. Me ba ma bo puni mu aba obi ma. Mo de ma mi aso a obi ma. No. Ana me se na bi ana obi ma pie ti me twa mo.
E be bia na ya doom light. Ana say gate go gate we no. E mu odu boma noise na nkwa ndi say ya doom light a o mi aso.
Me se me de bo ahwehwe gate yi mu a se nka nipa ofi anko api aba. Obi ama.
Oh, if you go for cry one na nyina o ba ofi.
Ani me nyini so oni ho a ka se me sia bop ni mu sanka. Obi o ho anko ate.
Oh, you met na gate ano sa. O me na ka obi na wo ye we si.
Se me nim si atu nti na magoma se obi be ba wo. Obi ama.
Nana, I am coming. Mama.
Oh, Casamitio.
Ne enye me intention say me kwa kubo wachi ache bawofo ene mawofo. Mama, I don't hate this marriage. Me busuafo ye obusuafo. Precisely me mama ne me papa. O papa ne wa me susu ye me busuafo. So if I take a problem in this house and talk out with them, I don't see the problem with it. Besides, Nana, I don't have any friend to talk to. It's just me and you. So if the situation has gotten to a point I feel I can't handle it, na me catch you more. So omone won kasa. Say beya assume Jenny or Donentia say a warfare from the beginning would come to stay again. Nana, what wrong did I do? Nana.
Please. It is too early in the morning to start this with me. Since when did you realize it's so between the Makasa? I'm only that pain now, Kai say you can talk to your husband this way. You make it look as if me as Bobin am new Tifia. Is that what is happening? Is that what is going on? No. What? What do you want to talk to me about again? What? No. Again, I will become be because me no that. Sorry. And then my one free man. So what is your point? I lie and wake up with you here on the same bed. Yes, me the obafo from fear. And when in John, do you have a choice? Impo. Say what you want to say to me, not to my folks. Oh, come in, my papa, uncle can't say, me couldn't the obafo from fear. Really? Listen, when you went talking to your mom and dad, I was okay. I felt like, okay, fine, or bad dear. A chile or when they came to me, come up to I thought I know were enlightening you. I thought say no, but ma, at least you don't say, Papa no say no, I not you. Until then you run to my mom and dad. And me papa dear me man dre. Baby I'm up bread dre. Me papa but to me for some worry and I'm no. It was an error.
No, I did this to protect us. Our marriage. No, please.
No. You rather sold me out. Whatever it is, you've gone to report me to my folks. Almost also, they've called me on Bekandi or Mobeka. But the decision maker is moi. I make the decisions here. And I have made a decision to marry another woman. Do you have a problem with that? Do you? Please, learn to keep up with it. Excuse me. Please. What? Amonima, what do you want me to do?
I need you. I need peace in this house again.
Goodness me. What are you talking about, peace? Who has been fighting who in the house? Have I been fighting you? What are we here difficult because you think that I've brought in another woman, and for that reason you don't want to talk to me, you don't want to even sleep with me. I don't have a problem. For who?
Why would you bring another woman into a matrimonial home?
This is where you go wrong. Yes, it will be her matrimonial home as well. Nobody is going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. You're going to be in this house, please. What?
We are building a family, for Christ's sake.
Amonima, did I walk you out of this room?
No.
Have I asked you not to sleep in this room with me again?
No.
Don't I sleep and wake up with you in this same room? What have I said? Are you now taking decisions for me? Listen, and listen good. I am the man of this house, and I take decisions as and when I deem fit. Oh mama, oh papa, me mama, or me papa, they don't make decisions for us in this family. I am the head of this house. I can choose to bring 4 women into this house. Stop being selfish. Stop being selfish. I beg you.
Okay, this wasn't the promise you gave me, please. You promised me another woman in this house. Okay.
I'm when man.
If I ever did you wrong, can you please tell me?
Shut up! I did not promise you what? Did you promise me that you wouldn't allow me to bring another woman in this house? You love me what? A vow to do what? No, finish the statement. A vow to do what?
You were not going to take another woman.
I never said that. I didn't say that. Probably the priest or whoever said it.
Nana.
I did not say that. I never promised that I was not going to bring another woman. Neither did you also vow that you will not allow me to bring in another woman. Please listen to me carefully. I am me. I will forever be me. I have chosen to bring another woman into this house. Take it or leave it.
What is wrong with you, Nana? What is wrong with you?
Are you thinking that I'm mad or going crazy? Is that I don't know what you want? Some may bother man. What? I didn't know how.
What changed? I do everything.
Everything. I'm not okay with everything that you're doing. I need another woman in this house. So please learn to take that. And did I tell you that I don't love you again? Madam, if you care to know, I still love you. I am harboring you in this room, and for that reason, you are staying. But if you choose to leave, goodbye.
Kami kana anya ya no ani se wu. Ye nya no wa hana fa me.
Afro fitani na.
Ah. Den kula nkomo na wu. Me ba ke tete no no mobile phone ko na ma.
Mobile phone. Say ebusunya sem. Itu fro kuna nko yi. Afro fita nko. No afro ba na soso na. Eso ebusunya na so. Nti ka ebusunya ba ko. Ko ba na o fre na yi. Mimi nyai sa. Ha? Min nyai sa.
Twem. Ade no sport wa ba. E wan se twem.
Bra na o fre me no. Ye na mi ba mi ni ye ma. Tina me mi tina ye. Tina me no mi hu say wa na mi me ka me mi tina ye. So woni me kasa se wo hia ho. E na ko se ho ko na wo wa. Woni me kasa sa kwa no so. E ni me nya bra. Why? Na wonni mi ba bia. On dem ka kiro no. Wonni me.
Ade na yesa.
Ade na me ni yesa.
Jaisa. Na me de family you see am.
Me say, so ko se me boa wa. Boa ba ko pe. Me ko se bonnet ni. Na me kan wu. Se de bia obi antini na o na me nkom bed. Ante san so dia ma me nkom bed na me nkom ba.